Okay, this is my rough plumbing. You see? Boom. And over here we change the pipes. You see the bottom pipes are like 3/4 inches, and the one on top is 1/2 inch to give it more pressure. That's the kitchen. Gas. Toilet. Shower. That's the sink. This is the second apartment now. You see? Shower. Everything. Okay. That's the kitchen. That's the sink. And the reason we had to move the red pipe a little bit that way because we had this gas lines right there in the bottom from the basement. If anybody asking. See? Now this is from the basement, you see? I just gotta do this one right here and that's it, I'm done. I gotta get a 22. See? This is my rough plumbing.